Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today we are discussing class 11 chapter 10 straight lines. So in the previous videos we were discussing about the equation of lines. So different equations. Now we are dealing with from the general equation of a line how to find out the slope, intercept form of the equation, etc. So what is the general equation of a line? General equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a linear equation. That's a general equation of a line. Now if general equation of a line is given, how can you find the slope of the line? So here if I am rearranging this equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 can be written as by is equal to minus ax minus c. Dividing throughout by b, we can write this as y is equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b. So the coefficient of x is the slope. Why? The reason is we know the slope, point slope form. What is the point slope form? Point slope form of the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Now if I am comparing these two equations, we will get the value of m or slope is equal to minus a by b, and the y-intercept c is equal to capital C by b, minus c by b. So the point slope form is y equal to mx plus c. We can compare these two equations and get what is the value of m. So if the general form of the equation is given, then the slope of the line is minus a by b and the y-intercept is minus c by b. So we can find out what is the slope even if the general form of the equation is given. Now next is the intercept form. Intercept form. Now the general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So our intercept form of the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So we can take this plus c to the other side. I am converting this into intercept form of the equation. So for that I am writing this as ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now divide throughout this by minus c, because in intercept form we should get it as equal to 1. So for that we can write this as ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1, or x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. So we can say that the x-intercept is minus c by a and y-intercept is minus c by b. That is the x-intercept and y-intercept. So if the general form of the equation is given, then also we can find what is the x-intercept and y-intercept, and x-intercept is minus c by a and y-intercept is minus c by b. Now third one is normal form. Normal form of the equation is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p, and the general form of the equation of the line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or we can write it as ax plus by equal to minus c. Now we can compare both the equations. that is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, and ax plus by equal to minus c. Comparing both, we can write it as, that is x coefficients, a by cos omega plus b by sin omega, not plus, equal to b by sin omega equal to minus c by p. So from this we can find out what is cos omega and sin omega. From this, what is cos omega? Cos omega is, cross multiplying this, a cos omega is equal to minus c by p, and if I am cross multiplying this, I am getting minus ap by c is cos omega, minus ap by c. Same way we are getting sin omega as minus bp by c. And what is sin square omega plus cos square omega? That is equal to 1. Sin square omega plus cos square omega is 1. So substituting in this, sin square omega is b square p square by c square, and cos square omega is squaring this, a square p square by c square. So minus ap by c whole square plus minus bp by c whole square is equal to 1, or a square p square by c square plus b square p square by c square is equal to 1. From here we can see that p square is common. That p square taking out, remaining a square by c square plus b square by c square, together we can write it as by c square is equal to 1, or p square is equal to c square by a square plus b square, or p is equal to plus or minus c by root of a square plus b square. So we got the value of p. Now what is cos omega and what is sin omega? Cos omega is minus ap by c. That is, instead of p we can give plus or minus c by, so what is that, minus ap minus a by c into, instead of p, plus or minus c by root of a square plus b square. So plus c will get cancelled, so that is plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square. Same way we are getting sin omega as plus or minus b by root of a square plus b square. So in this, instead of this cos omega, it is a by root of a square plus b square, and sin omega is b by root of a square plus b square, and p is c by root of a square plus b square. So what can we understand from these two? That is, in the general form of the equation, if I am dividing throughout by root of a square plus b square, we can convert into normal form, because this cos omega means it is a by root of a square plus b square, sin omega means it is b by root of a square plus b square, and p means it is c by root of a square plus b square. So in the general form, if the general form of the equation, if we are dividing throughout by a square plus b square, then we can convert to normal form. So what can we conclude? If the general form of the equation, if the general form of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is divided by root of a square plus b square, then we can convert into normal form. So that's the way of converting to normal form. So general equation, general form of the equation can be converted into normal form by throughout dividing by root of a square plus b square. Now next is distance of a point from a line. Distance of a point from a line. How to find the distance from a point to a line? So this is the point x1 comma y1 and this is the line. This line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And we have to find out what is the distance. And in order to find out the distance from a point to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can find the distance by using the formula d is equal to modulus ax1, that is we are substituting this x1 y1 in this equation, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So if you are substituting that x1 y1 in the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can find out the distance, that is modulus ax1 plus by1, that is instead of x I am putting x1, instead of y we are putting y1 divided by root of a square plus b square. We can find out the distance from a point to a line. Now next is we have to find out the distance between two parallel lines. So let this be the two parallel lines. Suppose the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c1 and the equation of the other line is y is equal to mx plus c2. So that is distance between two parallel lines. So in order to find out the distance between two parallel lines, d is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 by root of 1 plus m square. This is if it is in the form of mx plus c1, y is equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. Suppose the equation is of the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Then to find out the distance between these two parallel lines, these are parallel because x and y coefficients are same in both the equations, only constant terms differ. So in order to find out the equation distance between two parallel lines of the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, d is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square gives the distance between two parallel lines. So you have to see in which form it is, then only you have to use the equations. Okay, so these are the few things which you have to study in this video. Then related to these all problems, that is slope intercept form of the equation, then what else, slope, then distance between a point and a line, distance between two parallel lines. So using all these we are going to do few of the problems from exercise 10.3. Yes, so we'll move on to exercise 10.3. Reduce the following equations into slope intercept form and find their slopes and the y-intercept. So we have to first reduce into slope intercept form. How can we reduce this into slope intercept form? Slope intercept form is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So here I have to take this x to the other side. So 7y is equal to minus x, or y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 0. So what is the slope intercept form? And this is the slope intercept form, and slope is equal to minus 1 by 7 and y-intercept c is equal to 0. Now the second one, again this also we have to rearrange and write. that is 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5, then divide throughout by 3. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3, where slope is equal to minus 2 and y-intercept is equal to 5 by 3. Same way, third sub question, that is y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means a slope intercept form of the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So if you are comparing this, we can see that m is equal to 0 and c is also equal to 0. Now second question, reduce the following equations to intercept form and find their intercepts on the axis. You have to convert this into intercept form. So in order to convert this into intercept form, what you have to do, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Now divide throughout by 12, we are getting 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12 is equal to 1, or x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So the x-intercept means a is equal to 4 and y-intercept is b, that is equal to 6. Now second one, 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 1, or this can be written as x by 3 by 2 minus plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1, or what is the x-intercept? X-intercept is equal to 3 by 2 and y-intercept is equal to minus 2. Now the third one is 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So 3y is equal to minus 2, that is 3 by minus 2 into y is equal to 1, or y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1, or x-intercept is 0, no intercept on the x-axis. Then x value, which is x-intercept, is not there, and whereas y-intercept, so y-intercept only we can get it from here, that is minus 2 by 3. Next one, reduce the following equations into normal form. As I have told you how to convert general form of the equation to normal form, that is dividing throughout by root of a square plus b square. Then find their perpendicular distances from the origin and the angle between the perpendicular and the positive x-axis, that is p and omega. We have to find what is p and what is omega. So first one is x minus root 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Dividing throughout by root of a square plus b square means with 1 square plus root 3 square, that is 3 plus 1 4. I am dividing throughout by 2, so divide by 2. So what you are getting, x by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into y plus 8 by 2, that is 4, is equal to 0, or x by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into y is equal to minus 4. Anyway, the distance will not be negative. So what we have to do, this negative sign we have to multiply throughout here, and we are getting it as minus x by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into y is equal to 4. Now here x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. That equation is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. So if I am comparing this with here, we are getting cos omega as minus 1 by 2, cos omega is equal to minus 1 by 2, and sin omega as root 3 by 2. So cos omega is minus 1 by 2 means it is equal to cos minus cos 60 degree, or it is the same as minus cos 60 can be written as cos 180 minus 60, or that is cos 120, or that is cos 120 or cos 2 pi by 3. So we got the values of omega as 2 pi by 3 and p as 4. So omega is 2 pi by 3. In this case, omega is 2 pi by 3 and p is equal to 4. Okay. Now second one also we have to do it in the same way, that is we have to divide throughout by root of 1 square, because a is 0, b is 1. So divide by root of a square plus b square, divide by 1 or root 1, and we can write this as y is equal to 2. Then, so now what happens? X cos omega is not here, only y sin omega. Y sin omega, or we can say that sin omega is equal to 1. That means omega is equal to pi by 2. So, and p is equal to 2. Omega is equal to pi by 2 and p is equal to 2. Then next one, x minus y is equal to 4. So with what we have to divide? Divide by root of a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 2. Dividing throughout by root 2, we are getting x by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equal to 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2 is the same as 2 root 2. Then x cos omega is equal to 1 by root 2 and y sin omega is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So we should get here minus here cos omega and here y sin omega. Sin omega is minus 1 by root 2. So sin omega is equal to minus 1 by root 2 means it is minus sin 45 or minus sin pi by 4. And that is equal to sin, in order to get minus sin pi by 4, it is 2 pi minus pi by 4, because both the conditions should be satisfied. Cos omega should be 1 by root 2 and sin omega should be minus 1 by root 2. Only in this case we will get it as sin omega is minus 1 by root 2 and cos omega is plus 1 by root 2, and that is 8 pi minus pi is 7 pi by 4. So omega is equal to 7 pi by 4 and distance is equal to 2 root 2. Now next one, find the distance of the point minus 1 1 from the line 12 into x plus 6 equal to 5 into y minus 2. So multiplying this, first we have to write it in the form of the equation. So 12x minus 5y, then here it is 72 minus 10, taking to this side, plus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0, or the equation is 12x minus 5y plus 82 equal to 0. Now we have to find out what is the distance. We know the formula, distance is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to modulus 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 divided by root of a square plus b square, 12 square plus minus 5 square. That is equal to modulus minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 divided by root of 144 plus 25. That is equal to, simplifying this, 65 by 13, that is 5 units. Next one. From the point on the x-axis, whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. We have to find out the point on x-axis. On the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. On the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, it can be, the point can be taken as a comma 0. Then this equation we can rearrange and write, that is 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Cross multiplying 4x plus 3y by 12 equal to 1 means minus 12 is equal to 0. Now the distance is given as 4 units. Distance from the point a comma 0 to this equation, it is 4 units. So distance is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square, and that is equal to, if you are substituting a comma 0 in this, we are getting 4 into a plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by root of 4 square plus 3 square, and that distance is equal to how much? 4 units. And that can be written as, simplifying this, 4a minus 12 divided by 16 plus 9, 25, root 25 is 5 is equal to 4. Taking out the modulus sign, we can write it as 4a minus 12 by 5 is equal to plus or minus 4. That is 4a minus 12 by 5 is equal to plus 4, and 4a minus 12 by 5 is equal to minus 4. Two values will get, and that is, what are the values of a? So from the first one, 4a is equal to 20 plus 12, that is 32. Therefore a is equal to 8. And from the second one, 4a is equal to minus 20 plus 12, minus 20 plus 12, that is minus 8, or a is equal to minus 2. Therefore the points on x-axis are 8, 0 and minus 2, 0. Okay. Now next one, find the distance between parallel lines. You have to find out the distance between these two parallel lines. How to find out the distance? Distance d is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to modulus minus 34 minus 31 divided by root of 15 square plus 8 square. That's equal to modulus minus 65 by root of 225 plus 64, which is equal to 65 divided by root 289, 65 by 17, that much units. That is the distance. Now the second question they are given as L of x plus y plus p equal to 0 and L of x plus y minus r equal to 0. How to find out the distance? So distance d is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to modulus c1 c2 means it is p minus minus r. So p plus r divided by root of both x coefficient and y coefficient are L. So L square plus L square. That's equal to modulus p plus r divided by root of 2L square. That's equal to 1 by root 2 into mod p plus r by L, that much units. Now next one, question number 7. Find equation of the line parallel to the line. Parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2, 3. Any equation parallel to this line, any equation parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 is of the form. Parallel lines means that x coefficient and y coefficient, that will be same. This will be same, only the constant term differ. So any equation parallel to this line is of the form 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0, and it is passing through the point minus 2, 3. So since the line passes through minus 2 comma 3, we can substitute instead of x and y. So 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. That is minus 6 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0, or we will get the value of k, that is k is equal to 18. Therefore equation of the line is 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0. Next one, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line. We have to find out the equation of the line which is perpendicular to x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. So the slope of this line, what is the slope of this line? Slope is equal to slope of x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 is minus a by b, that is minus 1 by minus 7, which is equal to 1 by 7. So what will be the slope of the line perpendicular to this line? Slope of line perpendicular to x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 is minus 7. That is the slope. So what will be the equation of that line? So equation of that line will be, how can you find out that equation? See here this equation is x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, and the perpendicular lines equation will be, this will come this side and this coefficient will be here, that is 7x plus y plus k is equal to 0, because here you can see the slope is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is minus 7. Minus 7 is the slope. So minus 7, in order to make it as a slope, this should be here. A coefficient should be 7 and b coefficient should, just interchange this and change the sign. Okay, coefficient of x should be 7 and here it should be positive. Then only you can get the slope as minus 7. Just think it and do. So 7x plus y, and the constant term, it differs. It passes through the point, it is having x intercept as 3, means that it passes through the point, x intercept is 3 comma 0. So the line passes through 3 comma 0. So substituting in this, 7 into 3 plus 0 plus k is equal to 0, or k is equal to minus 21. Therefore equation of the line is 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Now next one, find the angles between the lines. How can you find out the angle between the lines? In order to find out the angle between two lines is tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. From the first equation, we know the slope is minus a by b, that is minus coefficient of x by y, that is minus root 3. So m1 is equal to minus root 3 and m2 is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So we can substitute in this, that is modulus minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 by root 3. That is modulus cross multiplying minus 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by cancelling this 1 minus minus root 3, simplifying this we are getting here 1 plus 1, 2. That is equal to minus 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2 modulus. That's equal to 1 by root 3. So we are getting tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. That means it is tan 30 or tan 30 degree, or theta is equal to 30 degree. Then again one more value we will get. 1 by root 3 we can get it for tan 180 minus 30. Tan 150 also same value will get. Tan 180 minus 30 means it is also 1 by root 3. So that is tan 150 means it is tan 180 minus 30. Same value. So again we are getting one more value here. Theta is equal to 150 degree also. So two values, two angles. Angles can be either 30 degree or it can be 150 degree. Next one. The line through the points h3 and 4,1 intersects the line at 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0 at right angle. Find the value of h. The line through the point. So two points are there, h3 and 4,1. This line intersects the line at right angle, that is 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0. Find the value of h. So we can find out the slope from here. What is the slope of 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0? Slope is minus a by b, that is 7 by 9. Here m1 is equal to 7 by 9. Now slope of other line, this line is AB. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1 by h minus 4, that is 2 by h minus 4. We can compare the that is product of the slope will be minus 1 if they are perpendicular to each other. So this is m2, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, that is 7 by 9 into 2 by h minus 4 is equal to minus 1, that is 14 is equal to minus 9 into h minus 4, or 14 is equal to minus 9h plus 36, or the value of h is equal to 22 by 9. That is the value of h. So since they meet at right angles, the product of the slope is equal to minus 1. Using that we can find out what is the value of h. So the remaining exercise questions we will be discussing in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.